So today what we'll do is we'll recollect the last week's choreography for counts twice, and then we'll do it for music twice, and then we'll learn the new portion, new section today. Okay. So before we move on to counts and music, do you guys have any questions with last week's choreography? Like, this is not happening for music. I need to see where it happens. Anything at all? Just come forward, unmute yourself, just shoot away. So Varsha is good. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Deepa is good. Recha, good. Okay. Divya is good. Okay. So I don't see any questions so far. So let's just hop on to the counts for last week's choreography. Okay. So I will not be doing this time. I just want to watch. Okay. So let's start. So get away from your computers, guys. Let's start with the counts. 5, 5, 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Okay. So I see a few people stopped with the first step. So I'm just going to do it once. Let's watch, and then you can do it on your own. Okay. So I'll do it once. Okay. All right. So it's going to go 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, the lyric starts. Okay. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Aeroplane. Step it is. Okay. After this, what do we do? I forgot. So after this, what do we do? Okay. Okay. My bad. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The mock step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Mock again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Let's do it one more time. 5 from top, from this one. Okay? 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. More step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Aeroplane. Aeroplane. Mop again. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Let's do till here once, and then there's only one step. It's just like walk, walk, snap twice, snap twice, walk, walk, go down, come back up. Okay, that's the last 8. So that's pretty simple. So let's just recollect the steps until the mop step, the second mop step, and then we'll do the walk. Okay. So from top, 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. More. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Aeroplane. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. After this, the step is simple. You just have to walk. From here, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So can we go for music? Yeah. All right. So let's do it for music. Yeah? Do you guys want cue of this one? All right, I'll give cue now.
अरे अभी अभी प्यारा सा चेहरा दिखा है, जाने क्या कहूँ उस पे क्या लिखा है। गहरा समंदर दिल डूबा जिसमें, घायल हुआ मैं उस पल से इसमें, नैना दा क्या कसूर बेकसूर।
I could see everyone catching up, even if you forget steps, you guys were able to catch up. So let's do it one more time for music, and then we'll start learning the next steps, new steps. Okay? One last time for music.
अरे अभी अभी प्यारा सा चेहरा दिखा है, जाने क्या कहूँ उस पे क्या लिखा है। गहरा समंदर दिल डूबा जिसमें, घायल हुआ मैं उस पल से इसमें, नैना दा क्या कसूर बेकसूर।
Good job, everyone. All right, let's move on to the next step. Okay, so the next steps are for the portion where it says "Mera kya kasoor be kasoor be kasoor." Okay, so it's going to go. We finished this, right? Okay, from here. Okay, so from here, it's going to go "Mera kya." Okay, you're going to raise both your hands up. Mera kya. For kasoor, you're going to do. You're going to step with your left foot out, join right, right foot out, join left, left foot out, join right. Okay, so let's just do the foot work once. Okay, so from here you came up, and then for the 1, 2, you just going to. So we did it for 5, 6, or 7, 8 is this. Raise your hands up. Okay, 7, 8 is this. So for the next 1, 2, we're going to step out, step, join, step, join, step, join. Okay, so I just want to watch once. So from here, we just got up 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. From here, I'll teach you the hands later. Just the legs. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So Srini, I think you're doing this touch and hop. I mean touch and come back. What we're doing is we're moving to one side. All right. We're moving to the other side. Okay. And then moving back to the other side. All right. So let's do just the moving portion. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So the hands are going to look like we're here, right? We did for 7, 8 here. From here, whichever direction you go, that hand is going to go first for the first step, and the next hand is going to follow. Okay. So it's going to go 1, 2. Okay. From here, 3, 4. All right. 5, 6. Right. For 7, 8, what we're going to do is we're just going to step back, turn forward. Okay. You're going to release your hands for 7, 8. All right. So one more time. From here, we did 7, 8. 7, 8 is open. 7, 8 is open. I mean 7, 8. Your hands are up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So, small variation here while you do this. If you're comfortable doing this for the counts, so it's going to be Mera kya kasoor pe kasoor, mera kya. This is the lyrics, okay? So if you're comfortable doing this, just this, standing, you can do this. So let's try this for this pace. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So once you're comfortable, the next variation is, if you're comfortable with this and if you can try this for music, the next variation will be from here. While you do, sit, sit, sit and come up, okay? Only if you're comfortable. So let's try the standing one first for faster counts and then we'll go for the half sit, okay? From here, 5, just the standing ones, okay? Not the half sit. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, one more time. For faster counts, let's speed it up. So it's going to be Mera kya kasoor pe kasoor, mera kya. So that's the speed. So don't go down, just do this. Just stand and do it. Okay? One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. For 7, 8, bring your hands up. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. I want to watch ones. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, good job. So, your 7, 8, you came here, right? For the next one, so we're going to go 1, 2. Okay? So, lean towards your left side, roll twice, bring it up, hit twice. Okay? So, roll twice, hit twice. So, it's going to be 1, half. Half roll, you come up. Okay? So, it's going to be 1, 2. For 2, you're going to come up. 3, 4. Yes. So, let's try this. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So let's try from the first step. Let's try this together, like the previous step. Okay. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So I want to watch once. Okay. So guys, put your hands up on 7, 8. Okay. So let's start. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So we'll need to go a little faster. Okay. So the music is just this. The lyric is just this. Mera kya kasoor pe kasoor pe kasoor. Mera kya kasoor pe kasoor pe kasoor. Mera kya. So we are going to do this for mera kya as well. Okay. So let's try this for a little faster count. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job, everyone. One more time, and then we'll go for music. 5, 6. Sorry, one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. So let's try this for music.
ठहरा दिखा है जाने क्या कहूँ उस पे क्या लिखा है उस पल से इसमें नैना दा क्या कसूर बेकसूर बेकसूर नैना दा क्या कसूर बेकसूर बेकसूर नैना दा क्या कसूर बेकसूर बेकसूर ऐ दिल तो
So guys, watch once, okay? So watch once. It's going to be a little faster. So if you want to come closer, sit, watch, it's fine. So watch once. So
अरे अभी अभी प्यारा सा चेहरा दिखा है जाने क्या कहूँ उस पे क्या लिखा है गहरा समंदर दिल डूबा जिसमें घायल हुआ मैं उस पल से इसमें नैना दा क्या कसूर बेकसूर बेकसूर नैना दा क्या कसूर बेकसूर बेकसूर नैना दा क्या कसूर बेकसूर बेकसूर ऐ दिल तो
okay, so this is the pace of the song, and this is how fast it's going to be. Okay, it's a little fast. It's a little fast. So let's practice for a faster counts, and then let's go for music. Okay, five counts. So away from your computers, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop. Let's do this again. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One last time. Let's do this again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So one thing I'm noticing is if you guys are going to pause here, we won't start on count or like on beat for this one. Okay. So what we can do is we can go for lyrics now. Okay. It's going to say Mera kya kasoor be. For every be you're going to hit. You're going to finish a circle. Okay. So let's try that. 5, 6, 7. Mera kya kasoor be. Mera kya. All right. So focus on finishing for every be. So mera kya kasoor be. Mera kya. All right. So if you want to make your circle smaller, instead like just smaller, if not wide open, it's okay. But make sure you're on music. Okay. Let's try that one more time. 5, 6. Mera kya kasoor be. Mera kya. Good job, everyone. Okay, so the next one is also, so mera kya, we finish this. Mera kya, kasoor be is this. Kasoor be. Mera kya. Okay, so from here, the next step is going to be, you're going to step. Okay, so you remember we did the aeroplane? The leg is the same. So you're going to step. Okay, so we finished here. Let's just do the leg. For the leg, you're going to step on your right side. Okay, we're going to hop onto your right side. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so your hands are going to go from here. Your left hand is already out. So you're going to bring it up when you step towards your right side. Switch hands. Yes, good job. And switch hands again. Yes. So let's try from here. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's all. Okay, let's put it together from the section that we learned today. Okay, from here, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So after this, what does it say? Okay, let's do for counts one more time, and then we'll try this for music. The next one is not Mera Kya Kasoor. It says Dil To Bata De. Okay, so we finished 1, 2, 3, right? So after this, you're going to say Dil, okay, Dil To, okay, Dil To, cross one of your legs in front, probably your left leg, okay, one of your legs, and turn. And just turn. Yup, yup, yup. So let's try Dil To, okay? So 5, 6, 7, go. Dil to bata de. 8. Right. All right. So from here, okay? Let's try it from here. Slower counts and then we go for faster counts. Okay? 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. All right. So for this, Dil To Bata De is a long line. Okay. So it's going to say Dil To Bata De. A. Okay. It's going to finish like this. So you have time. So if you find this difficult, like stepping and turning, if you find this difficult, the preliminary version for this is Dil To Bata De. You can just turn this way. Just make a turn. Okay. Your comfort. If you're comfortable doing this and just turning, fine. If not, Dil To Bata De. Just make a circle. All right. Let's do it 4 counts once. From here. Okay. 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and. All right. Did we get it? Yes. Let's speed it up. Okay. Let's speed it up so that we sit on music. One more time. 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4. All right. Let's try for this speed. This is a little fast than what we've been practicing. So let's try for this speed. Okay. One more time. 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2 rotation. Yeah. So watch once for music.
अरे अभी अभी प्यारा सा चेहरा दिखा है, जाने क्या कहूँ उस पे क्या लिखा है। गहरा समंदर दिल डूबा जिसमें, घायल हुआ मैं उस पल से इसमें। नैना दा क्या कसूर बेकसूर बेकसूर, नैना दा क्या कसूर बेकसूर बेकसूर, नैना दा क्या कसूर बेकसूर बेकसूर, ऐ दिल तू बता रे, नैना दा क्या कसूर बेकसूर बेकसूर, नैना।
Did we understand for music? Yeah? Yeah? Can we try it for music now? Yeah? All right. Let's see.
जाने क्या कहूँ उस पे क्या लिखा है, गहरा समंदर दिल डूबा जिसमें, घायल हुआ मैं उस पल से इसमें नैना दा क्या कसूर बेकसूर बेकसूर नैना दा क्या कसूर बेकसूर बेकसूर नैना दा क्या कसूर बेकसूर बेकसूर ऐ दिल तू बता रे नैना दा क्या कसूर बेकसूर बेकसूर
Did we get it? Yeah, yeah. So we'll do it one more time for music, and there is 2 more eights to finish this choreography. Okay, so let's do it one more time for music.
जाने क्या कहूँ उस पे क्या लिखा है गहरा समंदर दिल डूबा जिसमें घायल हुआ मैं उस पल से इसमें नैना दा क्या कसूर बेकसूर बेकसूर नैना दा क्या कसूर बेकसूर बेकसूर नैना दा क्या कसूर बेकसूर बेकसूर ऐ दिल तू बता रे नैना दा क्या कसूर बेकसूर बेकसूर नैना दा.
Good job. So guys, sorry. So do you guys have any questions in this new section? Anything that you feel like you're not getting the flow or it's not sitting for music somewhere? You need to practice more before we move on to the next steps. Okay. All right. Yep. Anyone? Anyone? Okay, all good, all good, all good. All right. So let's take a water break for a minute and then we'll come back. We'll do it for music one more time and then we'll learn the next 2 eights. Right?
Hey Tulsi, can we do with music more than with counts more? Like I feel like we are doing with counts more. It's like, it gets little boring.
Okay, okay, Vani. Vani, this is Lydia. Sorry, I have Tulsi's photo, but this is Lydia. So,
Okay. Sorry.
Yep, let's do for music. Let's do for
Actually, it's more fun with the music. Like the 3 beats, like now I'm able to follow the steps and how it synchronizes with the music.
Okay, Pradeep. Okay, Pradeep. Vani.
Lydia, I think it's Naina da kya kasoor? Naina. It's Naina. It's Naina.
Possibly, my Hindi is bad. Naina?
Yeah, Naina. It's Naina da kya kasoor?
Naina da kya kasoor.
Means eyes. It's asking for like eyes.
All right. Thank you so much, Varsha.
That's fine.
I don't think I noticed that. I just went with what I understood. Okay. All right. Let's do it for music, guys. One more time, and then we learn the last 2 8, and then we'll wrap up the session. All right. Ready? So, do you guys want to do it from the top or just from the top? All right.
अरे अभी अभी प्यारा सा चेहरा दिखा है जाने क्या कहूँ उस पे क्या लिखा है गहरा समंदर दिल डूबा जिसमें घायल हुआ मैं उस पल से इसमें नैना दा क्या कसूर बेकसूर बेकसूर नैना दा क्या कसूर बेकसूर बेकसूर नैना दा क्या कसूर बेकसूर बेकसूर ऐ दिल तू बता रे नैना दा क्या कसूर बेकसूर.
Good job, everyone. So I could see everyone dancing. Megha, I think you went out. I couldn't see you. All right. We'll do it next time. So let's learn the last 2 eights of this. Okay. Bata de. All right. For Naina da, you are going to just jump out. Naina da. All right. Naina da. For Kasoor, we're going to do All right. What did we do? Okay. So it's going to be 4 hops on each side. Okay. So your right hand is up. Your right hand is up. You're going to step with your right leg on 4 directions. Okay. So it's going to be 4 hops. So, Naina da kasur pe. Alright, 4 hops. Just 4 hops. So from here, from straight, we're going to turn left first, then back, then to your right, and then front. Okay? 4 hops. With your right hand up, your right hand is going to just keep doing this. It's this. You just keep saying go, go, go. Okay? But you're going to step with your right foot, right foot, right foot, right foot. All right? Can we try this? Yeah, together. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did we get it? Yeah? Okay. So from here, it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. All right? From here, you're going to do the same step again, one more time. So repeat again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So this is the basic. Okay. Let's do it for counts twice. And then if you want to add more, instead of just stepping, you can actually hop, 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 hop. Okay. But if you're very comfortable with just stepping, stick to that. After this class, if you want to practice the hop, you can go ahead and practice. That's version 2. I mean variation 2, but this is variation 1. Okay? Stick to 1, whichever you're comfortable. Okay? And also while you do this, it's just hands. But if you want to add, you can do hip. Alright? So these are the 2 variations of the same step. The very basic one is version 1 that we dance now. This is version 2. If you want to add more, you want to hop. Okay? So let's do it. So this step is going to repeat twice. Okay? So 5, 6, 7, 8, open up. Okay? So 5, we did this, right? Dil to bata de, hey. Okay? So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Let's do it one more time. 5, a little faster counts. Okay? 5, we are here. We did Dil to bata de. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So for the next one, we're going to repeat this step. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dil to bata de. And pose. Whichever you want to do. Whatever pose you want to get. Okay? So that's the end of it. So let's do from this portion once. Let's do from this portion once. And then let's do from the top. Once for counts and then we'll go for music. Okay? So let's do from here. We finished here. 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dil to bata de and pose. Yeah? Yeah? So let's do it from top. So do we have any questions on the last 2 8s? We good? Yeah? All right. So let's do it for counts from the top and then we'll go for music. Okay? So 5, 5, 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dil to bata de. And 8. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dil to bata de. And pose. Okay. So we good with the steps so far? Yep. Can we go for music or do we want to repeat it for counts? For music, yeah. Pradeep, yes. Pradeep, yes.
Can you show me how to do the spin? Like the spin, and since I'm just trying, but I'm not getting spin right.
Which is
Like,
it? Which is it?
It's my left leg. I'm doing it like this. I'm not. You see, like.
Yeah. You'll be twisted. Yeah. You'll be twisted. Then for the neck, open it like this. Open it like this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It will be twisted. It will be twisted.
Okay.
Then
Okay.
okay. So we did. First is to open, right? 8, and then we started doing this. So instead of that, if you still cross, you can just open for that 8 for Nenada. Alright. Any other questions?
Hey Lydia, Richa here.
Hey, Richa.
So when you do dilto, if you're standing and doing it, looks very odd. Like if you can add some feet movement or something, or some hop, that makes sense. Otherwise, it looks very odd.
Feel free to freestyle, Richa. You can add your own thing. That's just a freestyle portion where you can. I mean, it's just this dil to bata de and ha, but you feel free to add your own style to it. Whichever makes more sense to you, you can freestyle. I mean,
Can you tell any feet movement or any jump or something? I don't know freestyle, but standing straight and doing was like a little odd step for me.
Okay. So do you want to do this? Dil tu bata de. And this, keep tapping. Dil tu bata de. And turn. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. All right. Any other questions, guys? Okay, I see thumbs up. Hey, Arnav.
I'm just wondering, are you still going to do just like volunteering things like solo ones, or are you going to not do that?
Which one is it, Arnav?
Like, I was asking if like every volunteers at the last of the session, can I have some volunteering or not?
Volunteers from last session where I mentioned that we're going to be volunteers like
Yeah, we will do that, but let's finish the choreography. Then we will do that. Okay, not now.
Okay.
the session. Okay. So, okay, I think we are done. Everyone said like thumbs up, ready to go. So I'm going to play the music, guys. Let's do it from the top.
अरे अभी प्यारा सा चेहरा दिखा है, जाने क्या कहूँ उस पे क्या लिखा है। गहरा समंदर दिल डूबा जिसमें, घायल हुआ मैं उस पल से इसमें। नैना दा क्या कसूर बेकसूर बेकसूर, नैना दा क्या कसूर बेकसूर बेकसूर, नैना दा क्या कसूर बेकसूर बेकसूर, ऐ दिल तू बता रे। नैना दा क्या कसूर बेकसूर बेकसूर, नैना दा क्या कसूर बेकसूर बेकसूर, नैना दा क्या कसूर बेकसूर बेकसूर, ऐ दिल तू
get it? The last 2 8s, did we get it on music? Yeah. So so there are few, I think a few of them were a little slow for music. So watch once the entire sequence, just watch once. I'll do it, and then we all can do it together. Okay.
Hey Lydia, can you just stop?
अरे अभी अभी
Yeah, I think there is a lag between the music and your steps because you are playing through the computer audio, right? That is the reason that there is a lag with the music and your steps. Probably, can you just play on the speaker, then sharing on the computer video, sharing the computer sound?
Okay, I mean, I can try that too.
Yeah, because there is no sync. There is a 3-second lag. I think it is with all the Zoom actually. Just to avoid confusion. That's why.
Let me try that. Battery 40%. Mobile device not found. Connected to SAMSUNG SAMSUNG disconnected.
Yeah, we are good with this music. Yeah, you can try this. Yeah.
Okay.
प्यारा सा
Good. Can we do it for music? Yeah. All right. Good, good. Pretty much, I think almost everyone got it. So, Naveen, that's the end of it. You want to pick someone?
Any volunteers to do spotlight so that I can make them on the big screen?
Deepa, do you want to do it? Yeah? Okay. All right, Deepa volunteer.
All right, play the song now. Okay. Now only you should start.
Okay. You can start from here.
Repeat the.
Sorry.
Lydia, repeat it. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, Deepa.
Sorry.
So, Deepa, I'll give a cue. 2 claps.
Okay.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 2 claps, and then you can start. All right? One more time. You did very well, Deepa. That was really beautiful.
Thank you.
I think you just
Yeah.
forgot the last 8. I
Yeah,
think.
at last.
Yeah, just practice, and it looks very good. It looks very good.
Thank you.
Okay. Anybody else want to go? Okay, Varsha and then Arnab. Okay.
Yes, yes. We have more volunteers in this batch, Naveen.
Yeah.
All right, Varsha. I'm going to play the music for you also. Okay. Wow, Varsha, that was very good. Thank you. Thank you for trying. And then, Naveen, we have Arna. Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Arnav, that was very good. I really enjoyed. I mean, there were a few places where you did your own thing, your own freestyle, your own interpretation of the steps. That was very beautiful. Thank you.
Arnab, great improvement, Arnab, from where you were and now where you are. I really like the way that you express yourself. It's really good. Yeah. Okay. Anybody else wants to go? Anybody else wants to go? Okay, Vani is saying yes, and Divya. So you will get everybody a chance, okay? Because of this choreography is done. So Vani and then Divya, okay?
Go, Vani. Very good, Vani.
Yeah, it's very clean, very nice, very good. Yeah.
It's very clean. The only suggestion I have is you need to smile more when you dance. Yeah, that's the only thing.
Okay,
Divya.
yeah, your turn.
you understood the music actually. I mean, I know you had a few places where you had your version of the moves and steps, but you were on beat on music. That's very, very, very important when you dance. So good job.
Thank you.
Okay, anybody else wants to go? Okay, Megha.
Is out of the screen. I see Meghna, yeah?
Megha. Yeah, Megha is here.
Very beautifully done. I could see Meghna a few places where you just you do abhi abhi chehra dikha hai. You were doing all this like peeping out thingy and everything. That was very cute. Very, very beautifully done. Thank you for trying.
Okay, anybody else wants to go?
Pradeep.
All right. Let them practice more and then they can post their videos. That's fine.
Too tired for today.
Okay.
Okay, thank you all.
Thank you.
Thanks, Lydia.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Lydia, you
Lydia.
want to say something? You can.
Just a couple of
Thanks, Lydia. It was a wonderful session. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. For today, just a couple of things. Okay. So the very important thing is be on music. Okay. As I mentioned, like you can modify the steps based on your understanding, what you see, what is comfortable for your body, but just make sure you be on music. And today, if you noticed, we had two variations for few steps. So, so for example, this one, you can just step or you can also hop and do it. And this one, you can add a hip or just do a hand. And last week we had this step where you can just snap or you can add hip to it. So both the variations comes under the beginner category. So what I would say is pick which you're comfortable dancing for music. Okay, practice that. And once you're comfortable with the version 1 or variation 1, try to build on top of it for the second variation. If you plan to practice this choreography later, so try that, that will be more fun. So what you already know, what you already got, learning that and dancing that, it's fun, I know, but the challenging part is like building on top of it what is uncomfortable for you. Okay, so which is why I try to give two variations on few steps here and there. So just practice, and you guys did amazing today. Every one of them, everyone who volunteered, you guys were amazing. So thank you so much. And thank you for coming out today for the class. I know it's a Sunday evening, you guys are tired and ready to go for tomorrow, the Monday, but still you chose to be here for the class, and that's very special. I mean, you guys are dancing amazing. So for a beginner's badge, so good job, you guys. Keep dancing. Take a video of it and send it to me if you can.
Yes.
I think we have a class for next week.
We have a class next week. Yes. We don't have a break.
Okay.
Usually July 4th weekend we usually have a break, but I don't see a reason this time because all of
Okay.
them are more often, like I think not many are planning for any vacation or anything, right? So we just thought we will have a class next week as well. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, as Lydia said, please take a video with a good lighting or outdoor and with some good costume, and take a video and send it to us in the group. Probably we'll try to post it in the social pages. Okay, whatever. All right. Thank you so much, everybody. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.